Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session of video, we are going to learn how to implement the stack. In subsequent videos, I will explain how to use stack. Stack implementation is rather simple and it is not complicated at all. The detailed theory about the stack implementation is detailed in this book, a book on C. In this book, on page 460 here, you can find detailed explanation about stack implementation. However, in this session of video, we are going to use stack implementation in this book. Here in this book, on page 635, at this page, we are going to use stack implementation based on this book. However, in this course of video, I'm going to make some changes to the stack implementation. Without further ado, let's get started.
Please note that reference book is C++ standard library, second edition by Nikolai M. Joshutis, page 635. And before I start, I will create an empty our working folder D drive, DEVSoft tutorials interpreter. I created this folder. I will use this as our solution folder. And Visual C++ options and solutions project general. Please select this folder. Please select this folder as our working project locations. Now go to File menu, New Project, and Other Project, Visual Studio Solution. I will name it Stack Solution like this. I'm creating empty Visual Studio Solutions. Now I will add new project. I will name it Win32 console application, and I will name stack app. I will name like stack app. Click OK. And I accept all defaults. Here in header file folder, I will add one header file. I will name it select header. I will name it TMP stack. TMP means template library, template header file library. Here I will use if not def TMP stack h, then define. I copy it like this, and if. I modified like this. Here I will put reference book C++ standard library, second edition, page 635 by Nikolai M. Joshutis, modified by Thomas Kim, like this. Here we are going to include dequeue, include exception. Then I will include string like this. Then I'm going to implement template deq deq type name t class stack protected std deq t c means container. Container for the elements. Then public exception class for pop and top with empty stack. Class with empty stack. Public std exception here. Public virtual constant character pointer what constant through here. Return with empty stack. Now here number of elements, type name std deq t size type size constant return c size. Another one is stack empty bool empty constant return c empty. Push element into the stack. Void push constant t reference element c push back element pop element out of the stack and return its value. T pop if c empty through with empty stack. T element C back C pop back return element. Now return value of the next element. T reference top if C empty through with empty stack return C back. Now we implemented the stack structure and we save it. Then here we are testing it. Include tmp stack, and we are going to use, okay, then here try catch std constant std exception e c error we need IO stream here. E what? Now we are testing our stack int st. I create stack push 3 st push, no, I will start with 1 I push 2 stack push 3. Now I pushed 3 element. Now I'm going to pop cout st pop cout st pop I will do this. Okay, now one more. Okay, we pushed 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and we pop 3 times. Now we are running. Build Control F5. Control F5. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We now implemented the stack and we are going to use to test it. For example, we are going to pop 4 times. 4 times. Now Control F5 again. Read stack, read empty stack. This message read empty stack comes from here. Read empty stack from pop read empty stack. It comes from here. Read empty stack. So we are going to give more descriptive message here. Here. Like this. Then we are going to change it to read empty stack constant std string m. I will say like this, then msc m and std. I will do this just like this, okay? Then I will change it to msg, and here This is default message. I changed like now restaurant. Instead of this, we are going to put messages here. Here. Pop. Instead of pop, we are going to put messages here. Like this. I've changed code. And also here. Now we run it. Here it is character pointer, so we have to change C string. Control F5 again. Okay, Stack Overflow pop. So this message returns throws error message, and it is caught here. Now I want to have a stack names here. I want to make one more changes here. Like this. Then I want to change. I want to put constructor. Here. And I also want to name it like stack. Okay. Now the change is the same, but I want to make one more changes. I want to add destructor. Here I want to put destructor. I will make it virtual destructor. If C is not empty, stack is not empty, I will put diagnosis informations. Here. I will put like this. Okay, I changed it like this. Save it. Now run it. I push it 3 times. I pop 2 times. Now stack is not empty, 1 element. Okay, when destructor is called, when this stack destructor is called, if the element is not 0, then it will put error messages like this. I will try it once again. Stack is not empty, 1 element, and I can change the stack name like this. Then if I try it, it gives me diagnostic. It gives int stack is not empty. Or we can change it once here again. I will put like this. Escape sequence like this. Now I try it. Okay, int stack is quoted is not empty, one elements. And finally I want to try it with if we pop 3 times, push 3 times and pop 3 times, then it will give us no error messages when it clean up. It successfully executed, right? This way we can implement the stack. In the next sessions, in the subsequent sessions, I will modify this stack implementation. Thank you for watching.